Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm working on the Honda mower again, and as you can tell there's a lot of grease here and a lot of oil down here, and at first I thought it was leaking from somewhere else, but upon further it seems like it's leaking from the governor area right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it up, and then we're going to take it apart and see what we can do about it, because it seems to be a pretty bad leak. So let me give it a little cleanup, and then let me get the fuel line and everything out of the way, and we'll go from there. Okay, I'm gonna disconnect all that. Alright, I got the fuel line out of the way. We're gonna take the governor arm off. Looks like it's a 10 mil. Just gonna loosen it and see if we can spread it apart and then slide it out. There we go. There we go. And then spread it out just a little bit, and then see if we can get this arm off. There we go. Alright, and there we go. We're just going to set it aside, and there it is. And you can tell there's a whole lot of leaking going on there. So what we need to do is, I've got a pair of vice grips, and I'm going to try to hold on to it so it doesn't slide in, and then while we clean up and then take care of that. So I want to clean this area up here, and it looks like there is none. Like most people say, it looks like there is no washer. Here it is. Here's the washer, or the seal, or whatever you want to call it. I got an original Honda product, a genuine Honda. There we go. There's the part number. And what we need to do is we're going to take this out and check it out. But I don't see anything in that groove right there right now behind this clip. But we will know more once I take that clip off. Alright, I'm going to take this out. There it is, the clip. And then I'm going to use the pick to see what we got here. And I don't think there's anything. Yep. There is no seal in here. There's nothing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean it out and then put the clip back in, slide the seal over, put this back on, otherwise it's going to slide right in, as you can tell, without it. And then we're going to get it reassembled. Okay, I'm going to slide the new O-ring over, because there's no O-ring on there. Alright, and then we're going to grab it again with the vice grips. Just lightly grab it, it's not even hard. And then we'll pull the pin out, like so, and then I'll use my, okay, I put a stainless steel washer in there to take up any slack. Whether it's good or not, I don't know, but it just seemed loose, and then the other one didn't fit. But this one, now it does move fairly easily. So I'm going to clean off the arm, and then we're going to get the governor arm back on, and we've got to get that reset. And hopefully we don't have any more leaks. Alright, so to set the governor on this, supposedly we just put it back in. I'm going to get it back in there. And then the rod should go in. A little bit more. There we go. And then what we're supposed to do is push that back. Okay. Alright, so I'm holding everything back, twisting this. And then now we're going to tighten the arm, and hopefully we don't have any more leaks there. Okay guys, that's it. That wraps up another video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining, and hopefully you have a wonderful day, and hopefully your projects go well. Take care.